Welcome back. Artificial intelligence is reshaping industries, societies, and our daily lives at an unprecedented pace. From automating tasks to driving innovations in healthcare and space exploration, AI's influence is far-reaching. Today, let's dive into 18 fascinating facts about AI and its potential impact on the future. Did you know that AI can now design new proteins faster than humans? AI-driven models like AlphaFold have revolutionized biology by accurately predicting the 3D structures of proteins, accelerating drug discovery. Did you know that AI is projected to contribute up to $15.7 trillion to the global economy by 2030? This growth stems from automation, improved productivity, and AI-driven innovation across industries. Did you know that AI-powered robots are being developed to assist with deep-sea exploration? These robots can navigate environments humans cannot reach, uncovering marine life and geological secrets. Did you know that AI can detect diseases like cancer earlier than some doctors? Machine learning algorithms analyze medical images and genetic data, catching subtle signs that might be missed by human eyes. Did you know that AI-generated art and music are redefining creativity? Programs like DALL-E and AIVA can compose symphonies or create paintings in the style of famous artists, blurring the lines between human and machine creativity. Did you know that AI is being used to combat climate change? Predictive models analyze environmental data to optimize energy use, improve weather forecasts, and develop more efficient renewable energy technologies. Did you know that AI can enhance space missions? NASA uses AI to analyze massive amounts of astronomical data, detect exoplanets, and even assist in rover navigation on Mars. Did you know that AI-driven personalized education platforms are transforming learning? Adaptive learning systems tailor content based on a student's strengths and weaknesses, boosting engagement and retention. Did you know that future AI systems may be capable of self-repair? Researchers are developing AI algorithms that can detect and fix their own code, reducing downtime and enhancing system longevity. Did you know that AI is helping cities become smarter and more sustainable? From managing traffic flow to optimizing public transport, AI is making urban environments more efficient and eco-friendly. Did you know that AI is predicted to eliminate 85 million jobs by 2025, while creating 97 million new ones? AI will reshape the workforce, automating repetitive tasks, and opening new opportunities in AI development, ethics, and robotics. Did you know that AI-driven virtual assistants are expected to manage over 50% of household tasks by 2040? From meal planning to home security, AI will play an increasingly active role in personal life. Did you know that AI can now mimic human emotions? Emotional AI, or affective computing, allows machines to detect and respond to human emotions, enhancing customer service and therapy applications. Did you know that AI is expected to play a significant role in national defense? Autonomous drones, surveillance systems, and AI-powered cybersecurity tools are becoming essential components of modern military strategies. Did you know that AI is developing new materials for industries like aerospace and construction? By simulating countless material combinations, AI identifies new compounds with improved strength, durability, and efficiency. Did you know that AI will enable fully autonomous cars by the 2030s? Self-driving technology is rapidly evolving, with AI systems improving vehicle safety, navigation, and traffic management. Did you know that AI is revolutionizing customer experiences across industries? Chatbots, AI-generated content, and personalized product recommendations are transforming how businesses interact with customers. Did you know that AI ethics and governance are becoming top priorities? As AI systems grow more advanced, governments and companies are creating frameworks to ensure AI development remains transparent, fair, and beneficial to society. Artificial intelligence isn't just the future. It's already here, reshaping every facet of our world. From improving healthcare to tackling climate change and transforming industries, the potential of AI is limitless. If you enjoyed learning about AI's impact, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more explorations into technology and innovation. Let us know in the comments which AI advancement excites you the most. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.